Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily share your iCloud calendar with someone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Calendar app. Then right here tap at Calendars, and then just scroll down until you find iCloud Calendars section. Then just hit at one of these eye icons next to the calendar name that you want to share. You will be taken to this page where you can easily find Add Person feature. Just tap on that. Now you can hit at plus sign, and that will open up your contacts. You can scroll down until you find some user, and then just select them and hit on add. The user will receive an invitation to join your calendar in the Calendar app and will have to accept it. If you want to stop sharing your calendar with some user, you can just tap at that username, and then you can hit at stop sharing and then hit at remove. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.